She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey there guys, welcome back to Miss Chan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and whip up a tasty and easy Italian grinder. This is going to be a sandwich that you can eat any time of day, lunch, dinner, for yourself, for some friends. There are some simple and fresh ingredients that we are going to use to make this quick and easy sandwich. You're definitely going to enjoy all the flavors that come together for this wonderful Italian grinder sandwich. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. you guys, so let's go ahead and cut into this delicious looking Italian grinder. This is a quick and easy recipe. All the flavors go together so well with the choice of salami, the pepperoni, and the ham. You can always substitute for anything else if you like. Make that homemade grinder salad. That is a winner right there with all of those flavors together. It goes so well, guys, especially if the Italian grinder is one of your favorite sub sandwiches. Definitely give this recipe a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.